Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to restrict people from adding you to public groups, right? You know that feelings that you just come online and you see your number being added in different groups, even groups that doesn't have anything to do with your brand, groups that is more of contributions and troubles. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually stop anybody, be it your contact, be it people that they are your friends or people who don't even have their contact, how to filter people you want them to add you in a group or not, right? So all you have to do is you go to your WhatsApp. So I'll just open my WhatsApp and I will come up here. I'll click on this three dotted line, then I'll go to these settings. So once you open these settings, you go to privacy, click on privacy, right? And I'll go to groups. I hope you can see that. So when I click on groups, you can see this is everyone. What it means is that everyone can be able to add me in a group, even people that I don't have their contact, which is very wrong, right? So this is what you will do. For you to select people that you don't want them to add you in a group, you click on my contact except. Now this is where the whole work is being done. What it means is that your contacts can add you in a public group except people that you just tick now. So if you tick these two people, it means that these two people will not be able to add you in a public group. If you tick more two people, that is making it 5, it means that these 5 people will not be able to add you in a group. Then if you now click on this check sign that is up here, which means nobody, look at it now, nobody can be able to add you in a group. Nobody in your contact list will be able to add you in any group, right? So by just clicking here now, if you want to filter it now, you can now come to search. Let me say after I marked it now, I'll now come to search. I'll now search James. So I will be like, okay, let me remove this person now. So it is only James in my contact list that will be able to add me in a group because I just marked other ones and I am going to click here, right? So have you now seen it, how you can filter people that you don't want? If you don't want anybody to add you at all, you just check it here and nobody will be able to add you in a public group. And after doing that, you just click on this OK sign and it will optimize and nobody can be able, look at 1,553 contacts excluded. So all my contacts has been excluded. None of them can be able to add me in a public group. Guys, please subscribe to this channel. See you on the next one.